here, look. Just pull up, look. Look at little stream, goes all the way down there and it comes all the way from up here and we go through it now, look. Ooh, usually get little duckies down there, and all. It's lovely. If anyone, honestly, give it a go, it's right nice. Food's lovely. Yes, it's busy again. There we have it. Yeah, I can never make the right choice. Anyway, I'm on me. Also, now.
Nice bit of fish and chips at the Splash. Lisa's got the same old favourite.
Same old.
So I'm going to tackle that.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Alright, no change.
Come on.
Gambling fever. Thanks, love. See you in a bit. Thank you. Turn it up.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't usually wear them, do I? I sort of put a jumper on because it's cold. Oh yeah.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Star shining light above me. Stars